that one fed that one.
Huh?
That one fed that one. It gave it its food.
He's a wild rabbit. I don't see a rabbit coming to the door.
That is a rabbit, ain't it? Look at the rabbit, guys. There's birds and then there's the rabbit. Look at that one. It's standing there talking to you.
Yeah. Hello. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. Come here.
No, don't call it.
What if they got food on it?
Look at them all.
I don't think they got food on the top of them.
So today we're at a spa. I'm having a massage done because I got a lot of neck and back pain and injury from my right arm. And I'm at a spa. I'm getting ready to have a massage done. And we're gonna go to the pool. And we found a really nice pool in the resort that's just for adults. They're moving us our room today because there's been screaming for 2 days from a child. But anyways, I'm having a cup of herbal tea. My herbal tea is a jasmine tea, and that's what I'm having. I'm waiting for her to come in. I'm actually in an area like this. Tea and granola over there. And over there's the bathroom with lotions and deodorants and stuff. So anyways, this is the 5th day, and we have a few more days here, and then we're going down to in-town Orlando. This is the sun going down, guys, in Florida. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my word, that's beautiful. I'll show you the condo. There's a thing out here and table here. And then here is a couch. It's nighttime, and the dining room table. And there we go. Okay, this is the kitchen with the dishwasher. We've been putting our stuff away. Woody's got to put his tiramisu away. Coffee for morning, donuts for morning. Refrigerator. We got some grapes, some water, a meal, and creamer. He's putting his dessert away now, and we got ice in there. And then we have a washer and dryer right here. This is the entryway. And then this is the bathroom. And the rain shower. And the master bedroom. So that's how it looks. Fireworks, guys. Just saw it from my window. Yay! Yay! Wonder if I can get that right close to the screen. Wow! Wow! Look at that! Holy moly! Look at that, guys. You got fireworks too. Look at that. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh my gosh. That's Universal over there, guys. We're right in the heart of Universal. Hi everybody, I'm at Chick Salad Chick in Orlando. I heard Crafty Tiffany talk about this, so Tiffany, this is to you. I got to try several different ones. I got to try the original, the southern, the barbecue. The jalapeno was a little too spicy for me, and Tiffany likes that. And then I got to try a fruity one, and I got like 4 different ones. And today we're having the southern chicken salad with a croissant and pasta salad. So we're at Chick Salad Chick. I don't know why my my camera is showing this, but we're now at Crumble Cookies. This is another one that she went to. Thrifty Tiffany.